Cabbage is queen of Taiwanese veggies, highest production, everyone's favorite. However, we hear about its crash almost every year. Why does that keep happening? Why do farmers keep planting when we all know there is great risk?
高丽菜是台湾的菜王，产量上介大，大家上爱食的菜色。不过，咱嘛差不多逐冬拢会听到高丽菜有个崩盘的新闻，一大粒卖无10块银。你敢捌想过哈？既然大家拢知影有风险，是安那农民也是照种，计数也是照帮咧。菜价逐冬拢崩盘，因由到底是安怎？敢无办法通来看？阿华来讲，你来听。
If your cabbage field is among the few survivors of a cold wave or a typhoon, you get your money back more than tripled. On the occasions when we have no bad weather at all, whoosh, no money back for anyone.
高丽菜种一架地成本差不多是20万，若是风台寒流一个过，好运无扫到你的田，你就知影要大赚，菜卖出去20万变70万。啊，若是风调雨顺咧，大家丰收大出产。 安尼就规个害了了啊！菜要卖出去是比冬天搁较难，工钱请无人来挽，只剩做肥也有办。
Wouldn't you agree when I say this sounds more like gambling than agriculture?
小等一下，亲像安尼有时赚大钱，有时剩无半块银，安尼听起来较无像是正做呢。 你敢无感觉安尼听起来较像是跋筊？无毋对，这就是农民讲的跋菜筊。甲别项筊共款，跋菜筊有可能互你留啊厝一冬趁3栋，嘛有可能互你输甲家破人亡。毋过有一点甲别项筊无共款的，就是跋菜筊若是跋无赢。 有时阵竟然是政府替你输钱啊
！Exactly. Farmers play veggie games as we put it in Taiwanese. But one thing sets veggie games apart from other games. It is that sometimes our government pays the money you lost.
这里叫做经济补贴。 菜价崩盘无人买的时阵，政府就叫你唔免收啊，直接放入去土里，你了去的成本，政府提钱甲你贴。一个听哪像是咧照顾农民，毋过你甲想哦，我跋菜筊赢是算我的，输是政府赔，阮赢袂输的筊，啥人无爱跋哈？安尼乌白贴，颠倒是互代志愈来愈害啊！
They say they're looking after the farmers with this scrapping subsidy, but hey, that makes things worse by virtually encouraging farmers to play more, doesn't it?
解决的办法有无？有，就是政府今年开始推出新的高丽菜登记制度。因为规台湾人有几支喙，才有偌济菜，拢总嘛算会出来。若是10天内种落去的高丽菜，较加180架，安尼就是超过需求啊，真有可能会来崩盘。 农民若有来登记，菜种偌济才在机，互后来的农民知影即马高丽菜已经伤济啊，爱紧来改种别项，安尼菜价就会较稳定，对农民、对消费者拢有好处。
Do we not have a solution that works? Yes, we do. We do know that planting more than 180 hectares of cabbage within 10 days will very likely cause a crash. If we can get the farmers to register how much cabbage they plant, new players can be warned of the total, thereby stabilizing the market.
自今年开始，菜价若是搁崩盘，一定要有登记的农民才摕到补贴。一个农民上最会当报到2价，唔管你怎样处理，政府补贴甲互你1公斤6块的本钱，上无也摕转来。啊，若无登记硬要偷种的，输赢你就家己担。
From this year on, our government guarantees that cabbage farmers get paid at a minimum price of $6 for every kilogram of cabbage from registered fields only. You still want to play unregistered? Fine, do that at your own risk.
这个政策成功也是失败，上界重要的就是这点，因为较早捌发生过，无登记的农民找民意代表来敲，敲甲互因共款嘛有补贴。 安尼就规个害了了啊！照起工登记的农民，互人当作叛啊！安尼尾啊，谁也阁要来登记，规个政策大失败，白了工。
Please share this video with your farmer friend if you have any, or you can help by backing the authorities and insisting no register, no subsidy. The last register system was killed when unregistered farmers talked to influential people and broke the rule.
各位观众啊，你若是有熟悉农民朋友，请你分享这支影片给伊看，鼓励伊照起工来登记。啊，若无，嘛请你支持民意代表、农政单位甲立场来大互知，坚持无登记就无补贴，绝对袂超日。农民若有来登记，菜种偌济才在基，菜价稳定好维持，农民消费拢欢喜。感谢努力。